During the bull run in crypto that we saw in 2020 and the early stages of 2021, a major theme back then was DeFi, right? But another major theme was this thing called the Metaverse. According to a report, the Metaverse real estate industry is predicted to increase at a compound annual growth rate of 31% between now and 2028. It will have revenues of close to $1 trillion in 2028. Uh, Most recently, Metaverse real estate sales topped almost $100 million in this past January. So it's not going anywhere. It's just arrived and it's just the early stages. Now, one of the players back then was Sandbox. Sandbox is an Ethereum-based metaverse and gaming ecosystem where users can create, share, and monetize in-world assets and gaming experiences. Now, Sandbox put itself on the map when Snoop Dogg said he was getting in, and he brought up a plot of land, a big plot of land, and he called it the Snoopiverse. And I think most recently, someone purchased a small portion of his plot for almost $500,000. So, we're going to go to the monthly chart. And if I turn off one of my indicators, what you can see for the first time in Sandbox history, we had a monthly candle close above a previous monthly candle that was down. Right? So that's good news, right? However, if I go to the daily chart, so part of that monthly candle closing green had to do with this rounding formation. And that rounding formation is part of a bullish pattern called a cup and handle. So what happens in a cup and handle is that prices decelerate in a downtrend. You have some basing, idle trading, and then you have a strong move higher. So what happens during this cup, the savvy investors see that price is undervalued and it's a good opportunity to buy. People start buying, you might have some catalysts to force price higher. People see prices moving higher, you have some FOMO. uh, Folks get in because they don't want to miss the train, and then it gets at a level where the momentum has cools off and you have some sideways action. And then you have folks who want to take some profits. So you have this pullback. And that pullback also serves as an opportunity for those who didn't get in at the lows to get in now. And what completes the pattern is price breaking the neckline. What confirms the couple handle is if price breaks out. But it doesn't appear that that's going to happen. Price is actually breaking down. So this might be a false cup and handle pattern because price is breaking down from the neckline. With that said, if we see further breakdown, well, the first test is going to be at the $65 level. Because of this pivot right here. I like this price structure down at the 50-cent level. I think if price can get down to these levels, which is about a 33% drop in price, that would be a good opportunity to pick up some Sandbox tokens. Or at least to start dollar cost averaging. Depends on your conviction, your risk tolerance, your time horizon. So first test, 65 cents. On the upside, 85 cents. We get a breakdown of the $65 level. Look for price to move down to the 50-cent level where there are daily buyers.